how to remove side moldings for Mercedes CLK W208. So let's start with the one close to the rear wheel, then proceed with the door trim, and then the one in the front. It's very easy, few steps, let me show you. In order to remove this piece, you would need plastic tool like this. You can find it almost everywhere, they are extremely cheap. Order it from Amazon, AliExpress, wherever. So you would squeeze it underneath. And why I don't recommend screwdrivers is because you could damage the paint. So you have 4 connections here, and you go underneath and move it a bit like this until one goes out completely, and then apply some force. Then the next one, and the next one, and this is in the end. So you could see that, for example, this one could come off from this side, but these 3 are okay. If you just push this again, it will be completely okay. So this is how you remove it, and if you want to put it back, of course, you just squeeze it back in. And that's it. Let's proceed with the door. In order to remove door piece, you would need to open the door, and then you could find this Phillips screwdriver here, which we need to undo, and after that you will have full access to the molding. The bolt is really small, and then what we would do is move it a bit and then pick it up here, pull it to yourself, and then the whole trim will come off. So basically these clips go inside of this, and then when you push it there, it then got jammed and it does not want to go off. So in order to push it back, you just align these clips. Hold the clips align, and then push it inside. And then one more time, screw this, and that's it. To remove this last piece, you do exactly the same steps like you did with the first one. You just pull this out, and you see it comes off. There are just 2 connections for this one, and if you want to put it back, of course you just squeeze this in. Of course you want to clean this up a bit before going back, but that would be it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.